Welcome back, friends. So in the previous video we have completed the functionality to upload the file and show the uploaded files, but there is one bug in the showing the uploaded files. You can see that whenever I'm going to click on this uploaded file, so there is uploaded file preview coming soon is there. So for this one we are going to create a full UI view like this. So see that this is a PNG image. So if the image is there, then we are going to show this type of thing, like we are going to show the image and go back and download button. But if the file is not an image, then just we are going to show this whole thing, whole header, and plus we are going to show the text like this is not suitable for this and we can't open this file. You can download this file and the download button at the center. The second thing what we are going to do here, second thing we have to improve the functionality of showing the uploaded files. So you can see that we have this uploaded file at the root, but when I will go to the new folder too, so here you can see that we have still the uploaded files, but we have created files as well, but here the created file is not showing. So that's why there is some error. So first of all we are going to solve this and then we are going to move forward and create the whole UI for and the functionality to download and preview the uploaded file, especially for the image. So now without wasting any time, let's get into the coding section. So now we are under the coding section here. Now let's go to the source folder. Under the source folder we are going to the components and dashboard components, and then there is a home page. So first of all we have to go to the home component here, and here we have this uploaded files and everything is there, and here we need one thing here, as we have the user files here. So here we are getting the parent.data.parent is root. So this is good. So now for this one it is working good. Like if I'm going here and let's create a file here. So I'm going to create a file test.rb. Just click on create file. So this will successfully create the file and this file is showing here. So this is good. Now it is also working for the uploading of the file. Now we have to go to the folder component. Under the folder component we are going to do the same. So we are going to do the same here. Here in the home component, as you can see here, we don't have to mention anything, just we are passing the show items is there, just we are passing the uploaded files and created files. Now in the folder component what we have done here, so here we have the file data.parent as the folder ID, but here we need something as well, something other as well. So here for that I'm going to create some constant I'm going to create, and here will be like created files. We have some variables first of all for the created files, then here we are going to check if child files is there or not, child files and child files dot map. Here we are going to check if file dot data dot here actually we have to filter if file data dot data is equals to means is not equals to null, or instead of data we can write if URL is equals to null. If URL is null here, then this means that this is a created file. And now for the uploaded files, here we are going to show file.data.url is not equals to null, but here data is equals to null. Just save this. Now we are going to use this, that is created files and uploaded files. So instead of this we are going to use this created files and here we are going to send the created files, and then here for the uploaded files, and here we are going to send the uploaded files. Just save this. Now let's see the changes here. Now you can see that it is still working. Now let's go to the new folder too. Now we can see that we have this created files as well, but we don't have any created file. So here we have to check if created files dot length, here actually will be created files and created files, and created files dot length should be greater than 0. So but here when I am going to stringify this, just stringify this created files. So just to check if in any folder there is a created file or not. So in this folder there is not any created file. Whenever we go to a test folder, nothing is there. Test folder 2, here also nothing. And now you can see that here we have the created files and we have the uploaded files as well. So we have the created files, and now here we are going to check for the uploaded files. So let's do that. Uploaded files, just save this. Now you can see that here we don't have any uploaded files here. So that's why here we have to check here also, like if uploaded files should be greater than 0. Uploaded files dot length greater than 0. Then only we are going to show this. So let's upload the file here. So I am going to upload the file. Let it be this file. This file I am uploading again, and just click on upload file. Now you can see that file uploaded successfully here, and now we are automatically getting a file here. So we are automatically getting this file, and here also we are getting this file. So this means that this is working perfectly for us. So now we have resolved this problem. Now let's move forward and let's create this type of interface to preview the image and preview the uploaded files. So only the image we are going to show here, other uploaded files we are not going to show, just we will give the option to download that file. So now let's do that. So now when I'm going to open this here, so we have this type of option. So now we have to modify this. So let's do that. So for that, what we are going to do, so here I'm going to the file component, and under the file component there is file component.jsx. So here you can see that we have this file data.null. So if file data is not equals to null, then this thing here is here. Otherwise we have to create this our own. So here what I'm going to do here let's create a div. Actually we have the div here, so let's create again. So here we will be having the class name as position fixed. So position fixed will be there, and width will be 100%, height we need the 100%, and display flex, everything we need here, and the flex direction will be column. So actually we don't need this here. I'm going to remove this display flex, and here we need one thing, here we need the background, so BG will be black for us, and just here there will be our header will be there. So that header we are going to create. So for now just write h1 tag and hello world with text white. Just save this. So now you can see that we have this type of thing, hello world, position fixed is there. Now we need the left 0 and top 0, so that it should be at the top. Now it's looking great. So now let's move forward here, and here let's create a bar. So we are going to create a sub bar, sub menu bar. So let's create that. So for that, here we have this div, so we need the div as well, and display flex will be there, and justify content will be between between, and after that here we will be having the file name. So here we will be using the paragraph tag, and in the paragraph tag we will be having the file name. Here I'm going to write current file dot, just current file is the, yeah, current file data dot name, current file data dot name we need. Just save this. Now you can see that we have this type of thing, but here we have the div. For the div we have to set something here. Now you can see that we have this justify content between and align item center, and height is 100%, but we don't need any height of 100% here. And you can see that we have this very big name of the image. So here for that what we are going to do here, and here I'm going to replace this. So first of all I'm going to slice this. So slice this to like from 0 to maximum 40. So 0 to 40 like this. So copy dot copy of, and after that there will be the dot. So first of all we have to check the length, if there is any length of this. So I'm just going to copy this. So if name dot length is greater than 0, so if name dot length is greater than 40, then only we are going to change this, otherwise we are not going to change this here. So first of all we have to check this before applying this here. Then we are going to do this plus we are going to assign the dot, and after that we will be having the extension here, extension, just like this. So actually extension is not there, so ext should be there. So let me check if there is a extension or anything other. Let's go to the upload file, and here we have the extension. Just copy this. We have to write plus, and here will be the extension, and if it is there then just we need this name here, and we don't need any extension. Just save this. Now you can see that we have like this, and here we need one space dot like this. So this is looking great. And in the title, so we will be having the title here, title here, title. So title, like it should be current file dot data dot name. I'm just going to copy this and paste it here, and now you can see that when you will hover on it here, it will show us the full name. And here let it be padding y to 2 and padding x to 5. Just save this. So now it's looking good. So padding y to 4 will be enough. Yeah, that's great. And now we need margin, so margin top to 4 here. So now you can see that it's looking great. Now let's create two divs here, and here let me add one more class name. So that class name will be margin y to 0. So it will bring that to the center. Now here let's create a div, and here we need the same thing, and for here we will be having the button. First for the background, that is navigate, go back, and navigate, we are going to navigate to the -1, and here outline will be light or white, and here we will be having the go back, arrow left, and we will be writing the go back here as well. So we have some errors, actually div is not closed. Just save this. Now we should have the arrow go back. Just save this. Yeah, we have this go back here, and we need the text as white. Just save this, and otherwise it should be Boolean outline light. Just save this. So now it's looking great. So when I'm clicking here, we can go back like this. And here we need the gap as well. First of all, like margin, and it should be 5, and here gap should be 2. Actually we don't need any gap here. And then here we will be having the download option. Download option will be there. So here will be btn primary. btn primary will be there, and here we will be writing download. Just save this. So we have this download button, and margin and to 2 will be here. So like this. So this is looking very good. Now here just we have to check if there is an image or not, and let's do that. So let's go back here, and here we are going to check, like we have the sub menu bar, and then we will be having the div. So here container will be there, and here we are going to create the class name, and by default here width will be 100%, and margin top will be 4. Just save this. And here we are going to check if here we have to check, like if current file dot data dot extension dot includes if it's png, and the same thing we are going to do here for the png, and then for the jpg, if jpg is there, and then let's do for the jpeg and gif. So if it is there, then we are going to add the image. So we will be having the url. So data.url, we are going to show the image, and width we need the 100%, as well as we need the height as 100%. Just save this. And otherwise we are just going to create one div. So we will be having the div here, and we will be having file type notes porter. Please download the file to view this, and we are going to just save this here. So here we have some errors, like this is not closing. Just save this. Just see this, and let's reload this. Go to the dashboard. Just go to the dashboard here, and let's double click here. So here image should show. So let's see why the image is not showing. So here we have like 403 is there. So this means that this is forbidden. So this is forbidden here, like when I'm going here. So let's go to the elements, and here let's find the image. So this image is there, and we have this source. So I'm just going to copy this. Just copy this, and let's try to paste it here. So here we can see that we have the permission denied here. So now let's see how to change this permission. So now I'm under the storage folder, and here let's see the rules here. So here we have the rules as allow read and write only if request.auth is equals to null. So here I'm going to change the rule as this one. I'm going to read it. So means user can read it. Just click on publish. So users can read it and only write if request.auth is not equals to null. So now when I will refresh this, you will see the image here. Now we are getting the image. So now let's go back to the dashboard again. Now let's go here to the dashboard, and here I'm going to double click on this image and our image will show here, but this is not full. So here what we are going to do here, and here I'm going to set the height. So let's do this, style, height, let it be 500 pixel. Save this. So 500 pixel like this, 600 pixel. So 600 pixel is good. Let it be 650. Yeah, 650 is more good. And here I'm going to write also image fluid. Just save this. So this type of image is there. So now when the user will click on the download button, so this should file get download, the file should get downloaded. So here for that what I'm going to do here, so let's go here, and in the button let's add on click, and here we will be having the function download file. So let's create a download file. So here we have this type of function here, download file, and here first of all we are going to create the element A, then we are going to set attribute like file data is there, and then we are going to download. So download the file. So that file will be current file dot data dot URL like this, and then we will be having this style as none, and just we are going to paint the child, we are going to click the element, and then after that we are going to remove this. And then here I'm also going to set element dot set attribute target as blank. Just save this. Now just test this when I'm going to click on download button. So our file is getting downloaded. So, but here we have some errors. So let's see. So this one is there. We have the H reference. So H reference will be this one, data.url. Copy this, and current file.data.name will be the name of the file. Now this will work perfectly. Just click on download button. Now you can see that we are getting here. Now here this is the image. Just right click on this and save image as. So we can do like this one. So now let's see for the other elements. So now you can see that I have uploaded one Excel file, that is details.xlx, and then when I'm double clicking on this, now you can see that file type not supported, please download the file to view it. So now we have to download this file here. Just click on download button and this will download the file for you, or you can view this file in the that one here also in the Excel, online Excel. Now you can see that here we can download the file, but I'm not going to download the file. Just close this. So this means that this is working successfully and we have done this perfectly. So this was the last second video, and now next video will be the last video, and we are going to finalize the whole project and we are going to fix some bugs. So such as the bug is like when I'm going here and when I will refresh this page, so it will not show this again. And then there is the bug. So there is another bug here for the refreshing is the bug, and there is another thing we need, so that is alerts. So we have to use the React Toastify instead of showing the alerts. So for today this is enough. If you have any queries, please comment in one section. I will definitely respond to that. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next.